Hi, this is the Vivo V29 and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's just check our currently animation. And now let's open the settings first. After that we should find the security and tap to fingerprint. Enter your protect method and tap to animation styles, and here you'll see all of the available animations which you could use. Just select one from them and tap to apply. So now let's just lock the device, and as you can see we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.